Okay, so I have based around the neck area, which had came loose. The neck area is to be sewed 3/4 of an inch. I basted the other sleeve on the other side, and this sleeve seam is to be sewn 5/8 of an inch. And I've marked this little area here because I have to sew this sleeve together before I attach it to the top. And then you go around the narrow hem and stitch that. And after we do that, we do a narrow hem, and this top will be finished. Hi, and welcome back. Alethea Hill, Sail Along Sewing. We're cracking the whip for 2 patterns, New Look 6453, which is the top, and Simplicity 9751 is a 1-hour pant pattern, and it's both are rated very easy. And we also have the sewing advent calendar, and we are on day 13. Welcome back. Thank you for coming. So I've been looking over this little dress here, checking the seams, because it is a whip and we are cracking the whips. So I've decided that I'm going to check the hem out, make sure it's even, then I'm going to serge it. Before I do the top portion of it, I gap that all together, and I'm checking the length of the dress. I tried it on. I'm just going to even out the bottom. I'm going to serge it, and I'm going to do a little fold and hem it on the machine. Stay with me. I appreciate you. If you have not visited 1 through 12, please do so, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So we're going to even up the bottom of this top like this, for example, here, and then we're going to serge. And each seam that I come to, I'm checking the front to make sure the seam is going in the same direction at the bottom as it is as the top. Okay, we're done with the seam. With the hem. So all I do is just fold it under and stitch around it. So now is my favorite time. I hope it's yours. This is the opening of the Sewing Advent Calendar 2025. We on day 13. Let's see what's in store for us this time. Uh-oh. Do I need my scissors again? Ooh, look at this. It's a snowflake button. That is so special. So, you know what time it is. We got to hang it on our tree. So, remember to like, share, and subscribe. I would love to have you become a family member. Let's hang it on the tree. There it is. Our little tree. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you tomorrow, day 14 of Vlogmas. Thanks for coming.